I was actually the first one in our household to graduate. Public schools gives everybody the opportunity, no matter where they come from. I don't know where I would be without public schools. I like the outdoors, and construction was a place where I wasn't stuck in the same place. Every weekend I was doing something for somebody, and then my jobs kept getting bigger. So then I recruited my brother, Paco, who's my partner, IMP. But there was a lot of people that would say, hey, Iggy's done this, or he worked for so-and-so, and they started trusting us with little jobs, and pretty soon, now we're doing buildings.
I personally think Norfolk Public Schools are great for their diversity. Our children get to interact with maybe someone that's not like them. I started working with Norfolk Public Schools 8 years ago as a para. As I got my hands in the classroom, it was an incredible feeling. I felt like I finally found what I want to be when I grow up.
Our kids have a lot of great teachers. They see teachers in public, and they joke around with them. That's what makes me proud. We got teachers that go out there and get involved with the kids. We all need education. I think public schools gives us all that and more.
Us as a teacher can learn so much from someone so small, such as a 5-6-year-old in kindergarten.
I think the teachers deserve a lot of credit for the education and for who we become.